Wow, looking back, 2020 was a weird year. I feel like it was pretty unexpected. I think we all wandered around a little bit, lost for a while.
Okay. Want to go on an adventure?
The thing is, it started out normal enough. We were determined to get out and go on a lot of adventures.
Was that a thumbs up? Yeah. It's hard to do thumbs up in a glove, huh?
We had a lot of plans. "2020 ended up being that year the world gave us every excuse to just waste it. A year to binge and be gone. A lot of people became isolated from family and friends in 2020. So we found ourselves expanding our family.
You want to eat something?
Even a fox tried to join our family. One thing we realized is we had to go further. We had to explore more. We really had to get out there and chase down some peace. It wasn't just gonna find us. We had to go further than most people were willing to go. Sometimes you just have to go for it anyway. You just have to find a way to live anyway. One thing I know for sure is we tried to make the most of a year that a lot of people just said was lost. Well, it's 2021 now. We made it. I don't think it really changes anything in my mind. We're still just trying to make the most of the time that we have right now.
Yo, what's our chances of getting through this with everybody in the boat?
Everybody?
Yeah.
60%.